Hey, what up y'all, Nurse David here, coming at you from the den, and today we are going to be reviewing the Infinity Men's Scrubs by Cherokee. Now, I was scrolling through the Scrubs and Beyond webpage, looking at different products that they had on sale, and actually trending for men right now were these Infinity Scrubs by Cherokee. I have not done a review on these, but they seem to be pretty popular on their website, so I thought we would pick up a couple different colors in a couple different styles and review them here on this page. In this video and in videos going forward, what you can expect from a scrub review is that I will be hitting on 5 different topics: sizing, utility, comfort, pricing, and lastly my favorite, the subjective opinion of myself on styling. I picked up 2 different styles in 2 different colors. I have the men's drawstring cargo jogger pants in the color Seal with the men's v-neck top in the color Seal. I also have the men's button front pants in the color Caribbean Blue, as well as the men's v-neck top in Caribbean Blue. I remember when I was in nursing school, Caribbean Blue was a color that I got very sick of because that's what I had to wear for 2 years to clinical. But now that I can only wear navy, this Caribbean Blue, the color is looking super rich. Okay, let's go ahead and open these up. This is the Caribbean Blue v-neck in the size small. I wear a size small in all of my scrubs now, and sometimes even an extra small in scrub pants, but this is the color of the Caribbean Blue. And then these ones are just the straight-legged pants that they sell. So let's go ahead and open these ones up. Now, first impressions, I can see that there are some details on these. It does have the belt loops in case you choose to wear a belt. I don't know any healthcare worker that has ever worn a belt, but I guess you have the option if you want to. It looks like it has a little clip here, which we'll get into in utility. But overall, yeah, they look fairly clean. This is the same v-neck, it's just in the color Seal. I just wanted to get a couple different color options. And in the color Seal, we have the scrub joggers, 5-pocket scrub joggers for men. Now let's begin the official review with the topic of sizing. Now I'm going to give you my dimensions. I'm about 6 foot tall, I weigh around 150 pounds, my waist is 29 to 30, so that way you can get a sense of maybe how you compare to me. Normally I wear a size medium in shirts, like I said, a size 29 to 30 in pants, and in scrubs I always wear a size small. Well, for sizing of these scrubs, the Infinity by Cherokee, I wear these in a size small, and I would have to say that they are a tad bit baggy. I could have definitely went down to a size extra small, and I think that they would have fit just a little bit better. Speaking on the v-neck, I'm okay with the way it fits. It could be just a little bit smaller, but honestly in the size small, it's actually not so bad. I'm referring more to the pants, the front button pants and the scrub joggers. The front button pants, as you can see, they're just super baggy. There's a lot of space for movement, but they are super baggy. And then the scrub joggers, they don't really have too much of a jogger look. They have more of a tapered look, which is nice, but I feel like maybe if I had went down to a size extra small, I would have got more of that jogger look. It is nice that the pants are able to be adjusted, but overall for sizing, I would recommend going a size down in these. Now utility, this definitely gets a thumbs up. Now I'm speaking on the fabric first. This is made out of an antimicrobial fabric which will help resist bacteria, viruses as they say, and you can definitely feel it. It definitely has that moisture wicking feel to it. It feels really light, very airy, very comfortable and not itchy whatsoever. And as you can see, it just has a bunch of little features on them, a bunch of little things where you can add stuff such as this belt loop. It has a little clip on it, which I am a little skeptical on with metal, just because I'm wondering, is it MRI safe, MRI compatible? Because that is not something that they mention on their website, but it is a cute little thing that they added on. There are plenty of zippered pockets and plenty of extra little things here and there which really make them unique. Let's get back to comfort. That is our third topic that I'm speaking on. These are super comfortable, like I said. They are super airy. They are not itchy whatsoever. They are super flexible, and that's what I'm looking for in a pair of scrubs. Is something that is comfortable, airy, and it's gonna be able to stretch. We do not want stiff scrubs. Last thing I want to be doing is compressions and have my pants ripped. Although I like my scrubs to be a little bit more snug. Not even snug, but a little bit more tailored. I don't want them to be ripping. And this fabric, you can tell there's no way it could rip. You could probably pull on it as hard as you want and it probably wouldn't rip. Now, pricing of these scrubs, it's very comparable to other scrub brands. You know, scrubs are retailing anywhere from $30 to $40 when you're talking about the larger brands, and I suppose they see themselves in this category, which I will have to say, these are a very nice pair of scrubs. They have a lot of the features that the other scrub brands do as well. It's just the tailoring of the scrubs is not exactly there. And I purchased these from Scrubs and Beyond online. Now you can return these in store or you can return them online. But the nice thing about Scrubs and Beyond is that they have a lot of coupons out there. So I think I did find a coupon when purchasing these scrubs, which brought down the price just a tad bit. So I definitely recommend looking for a coupon anytime you go to buy any pair of scrubs, but especially on a big name brand store like this, Scrubs and Beyond, there's definitely one out there. And lastly, my subjective ideas on styling. Now, I will have to say that this scrub top is really nice, especially the length of it. It has a nice long torso, which is actually very flattering. It's not something that I have normally looked at when looking at other scrubs, but seeing this scrub top on, I really do like the length of the torso because it is much more masculine and flattering if that's what you're going for. Now, if I had to choose between the scrub joggers or the front buttoned pants, I would definitely have to go with the scrub joggers just because the front button pants, it's just too loose, and even if I went a size down, I just don't think that it would be that flattering whatsoever. So I would have to say pass on that. But if you're looking for scrub joggers, I think if I had went a size down, that these would have fit just right. Now in the style of these, with these scrub joggers, you can see that these are high-waisted, so they go quite a ways up. So if you do not like high-waisted pants, that is definitely something to consider. But it is nice when you're tucking in your scrub top to have high-waisted because it just pulls the look much more together. My final thoughts on the product would have to be that definitely go a size down. If you're looking for a pair of masculine looking scrubs, these are it, especially with the long torso. But I would avoid the straight line pants just because they look really saggy and I don't think that they could get much better than that. If you guys have any questions, go ahead and leave them in the comments down below. If you want to see one of my other scrub review videos, you can check them out right here. But yeah, this was the Infinity Scrubs by Cherokee from Scrubs and Beyond. I'll talk to you guys later. Thanks. Bye.